series that I'm gonna start back up that I was doing over the summer, but I just cut it off because people have no clue what the hell I'm saying, like what I'm talking about, like the general audience of whoever is watching my videos in the first place. And two, it just wasn't getting as much traction as the rest of the videos I have. But seeing that my channel, I just want to be more consistent, and so this is more for me and not for you guys. This is basically just to keep me in check, keep my psychology in check, that I'm being consistent on YouTube, and hopefully it'll help push out to the algorithm, because the YouTube's algorithm is extremely diverse. It's like a brain, so they know when your videos are engaging, why they should push it out in the first place, when they should push it out. So I'm just doing this. I'll make this every single day, recap every single day, just as documentation. Here in the daily, obviously we're at all-time highs for both of the indexes, and I don't generally want to short unless I'm proven wrong. Yeah, if we're at all-time highs like this, and if we are just extremely bullish, I would assume that we are just going to keep going higher, because we just broke past all these low resistance liquidities that were over here, and it's just there's no sign of stopping going higher. Like overall, we are in a bull market. But for today, it did kind of change because I thought my camera died for a second. Here in the 4 hour, we did inverse these bullish fair value gaps right here, and that was like a telltale sign that we are going to go lower and at least sweep all of these, the ones that have not a lot of resistance to them. Here we have more fair value gaps that we could run off of. We could have like possibly like a retracement here, possibly go higher. But I know for the day at least, we were going to be bearish. So, and also this, what do you call it? And also the 10 a.m. candle being bearish just furthered my bias of us just coming down, and having manipulation legs to the downside. So for starting off the day, today I didn't take a trade because it just didn't show itself, and I just didn't like the way the market was moving. It's just not ideal conditions, but this is good. I'm not calling it bad price action. It's not bad. However, the area I was looking at, it was just taking an extremely long time to even just like hit. Like a first entry could have been this, this pair of fair value gaps right here just getting inversed, but that's straight on market open, and straight on market open I don't usually take, but if the opportunity presents itself, obviously I'm going to take it, you know what I'm saying? However, today I was a little bit shaky. We did have this high getting taken, and then where the freak is it? Yeah. Wait, am I tripping? I mean, wait, no, I'm not. No SMT. However, these highs did get taken, and we were obviously in clear, like, we were obviously trying to go to the downside because we had the sideways consolidation. We had the dump from yesterday, and it was just wanting to go lower, and all the signs pointed to it. So the first confirmation I needed was to inverse this. However, we just swept all the way to London. ES and NQ were moving the exact same today. So that was another reason I just wasn't as confident in actually placing the trade. They were moving the exact same, no SMTs in place. So it was just a little more like, it's just not my models. I'm not going to say, you know what I'm saying? Both took the amount of time, look, it literally just like inched it. It basically edged these previous day lows from. Why does TradingView chart do that? I don't know why, but we had these previous day lows from yesterday that got swept, and it basically took forever just to even come and just take it. Like, look at this. This is like, if I were to enter right here below the CISD, I would just have to be like waiting in Death Valley just for it to hit. Like, look how long this is. Look how long I would have had to wait just to hit TP. I could have taken this. I could have. However, it could have reversed at any moment because there, since we took previous day lows, we had an SMT in play on NQ but not on ES, so we could have reversed up any time. And however, I knew my bias was bearish. Why is it moving like that? But overall, it's not a good day. Where is this? We also were coming into. Also, if you look at the consequent encroachment of this, none of them got. Wait, that's the freaking fib retracement. What's open? This is today, right? Of yesterday, these didn't get hit at all, and then this one. Where is this? For this one's wick, it just straight up disrespected the equilibrium of that. So it was just really obvious we wanted to dump today, and today was no news. So today could have been a good day though. Not saying it was bad. It just took a long time to even just like show any kind of movement. You know what I mean? Overall, not a bad day. Just not the most ideal conditions, and I just don't want to be risking capital on something that I'm not confident in. And also this for the entry on this, it would have been, you would have like NQ had already taken previous day, and then while we were just like ranging over here, we obviously had a bullish SMT. So that's like another reason. Oh, that's sell side. That's another reason I just didn't want to take that. And obviously, if price disrespected all these draws right here, it was bound to come take a few of these out as well. As long as there's no other PD array it could potentially just bounce off of, then it was eventually going to take these. London didn't even get swept. Not like ES barely grazed London. It didn't even take those highs. So it just dumped, bro. It really just dumped. And then also, however, the reason for that could have been we had already touched but a reason for the immediate just like dump could have been like we already touched equilibrium of the previous day candle. So it's just even higher conviction. So yeah, that was the recap for today. I'm gonna try to make one every single day after I trade in the mornings, just as documentation. I'm not gonna publish it. It's just gonna be on the channel for whoever wants to watch in the future. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.